Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As today is a weekend, we all sisters thought of making a funny video and also some videos and some of the photos to take to get ready and do makeup and all. But the problem is, as I'm out of station due to this COVID, I thought of I didn't get so many beauty products which I want to, which I get ready to be in a chill makeup, like in a full-fledged makeup. I don't have so many products with me. I have only few, some of lipstick palette and some BB cream. I don't have even foundation seriously, and some moisturizer with some primer because I always carry this, and lip balm everybody will carry, which is of this. I showed you last time in my video, and compact which I normally use every day, and except this and some kajal, mascara and few things. But I don't have most things which we always which we always don't use but only use for the parties, like some contours, blushes, highlighters. These things are many most useful when you are getting a full-fledged and full cover makeup, and these are some of the highlighters which we always use. But I don't have that. But I thought one thing, it's okay even if you don't have. I can mix with some lipsticks, and I don't even have eyeshadows, I forgot to tell you, because eyeshadows are very important when you are getting traditionally. But it's okay. I'm in my video, I'm gonna show you the what all the products I have. I'm gonna give a full cover and full-fledged makeup to you. So even though you are somewhere, and even though you don't have so many products with you, with the products whatever you have, you can still get ready, and you can make a full-fledged makeup that I'm gonna show you today. And please let me know in the comment section if you like that makeup or not. And also if you have any suggestions from you, you can even tell me you must have used this, you must have used that for that, which will be very grateful to me. Anyways, I think this video will be very useful to you, and after a long time even I'm doing a makeup video. So I'll show you, watch this video till last. I'll show you how I get ready after my makeup, and what dress I'm gonna wear. All those things I'm gonna show you. So if you're watching my video for the first time, please just do a small thing. There will be a subscribe button at the bottom of the video. Please click that, and also a bell button beside that. You also can click that. By that you will get what all the videos I'm making, and new videos which I'm making, you will get the notification and you can watch easily without any delay. You can see my face is very bad without any makeup, and oily, and I didn't apply anything on my face, just a face wash also I did before half an hour. So I'll finish my face wash, or I'll just clean with a normal towel, which is wet towel. So I'll just rub my face and clean it, and I'll start my makeup with the products whatever I have, and I'll explain to you how I'm using it. So let's get started. Guys, I just clean my face with a wet towel, because I just want to remove the excess oil which will be there on my face, because it is not good to wash your face frequently. As I have washed half an hour before, it is not good to wash frequently because your skin may, there are chances your skin may become dry. So that is the reason why I didn't wash. I just wiped on the top of the excess oil which is present on my skin. First of all, I'm gonna use tea tree essential oil. This essential oil will normally mix in some DIYs or something just for the flavors, but this tea tree oil has so many benefits. Still we can use on the face, on the top, I mean on the first beginning of the makeup, which will give a very good finish and clog the pores, and will not let all the makeup to go inside the pores. So that is the reason why I use. So let's this moisturizer which I have. This is Organic Harvest, which I normally use as a face cream every day. Let's apply this a little. most important thing which I'm gonna apply is primer, which I normally carry, because without primer I don't apply any foundation or even the BB cream which will affect my face. After using this primer for so many days, I don't even have pimples on my face, because using BB cream or any foundation on the face directly without any primer is very harmful to the skin. So start using primer and start carrying it wherever you go. So I'm done. This is very fast, so you don't feel like you applied any primer to your face. Everything has gone into my skin. Now all my pores got clogged, and no worries, you can apply anything on your face now. So before I apply concealer to my face, now you can apply concealer even. Before applying this, I want to just make my lips moisturized, so that I'll apply lip balm to it first. By the time I apply everything, it will get wet. Now I'm using concealer, which is just like a lipstick. It is a stick concealer which I use, and this is of my shade. What I'm gonna do is, I just want to take this like this in the finger, ring finger, to the tip of the ring finger, and I'll just apply wherever I have dark circles or dark spots, whatever. Now I'll apply a BB cream which I have. I use Nykaa BB cream normally to anywhere I go. Normal dresses I use. I don't use foundation on this normally. If you have foundation, you can use it. I have covered most of the part, most of my face without using any brush or any sponge. I just use my fingers to my face and I covered very neatly. You can see there is no spot. You can see on my, just giving a small tap on my skin, because after applying everything, I'll again use this compact. So I have a lipstick palette of these colors. I'll show you. This is a Maybelline lipstick. I don't know, I don't have idea whether I've shown you this before or not, but with this I'm going to apply eyeshadows, because I don't have eyeshadows with me right now. Nude color which will blend. This to make matte, I am going to apply a little amount of compact on it. Let's see. So I'm gonna do same thing to my next eye. Next thing to my eyebrows, as you can see they are very light. This is the old one which I'm not using now, and it got wet. I think it is not wet now. See, you can see there is no more, very little left on this. So I think I thought like I don't want to throw this out, which I can use for my eyebrows like this to just comb. Using kajal, which I have a pencil one. Kajal is a normal one which we normally carry everywhere, because not only on traditional things, we normally use on western wear also, because kajal gives a very good look to your eyes. Eyeliner I have sketch one. If you have a liquid eyeliner also, it's very good, but I'm using whatever I have. So I thought let it be simple, so this is what I gave. Mascara, which I give a stroke, and this is wet. So this is the brush of it. As there is a lip balm on my lips, I'll just rub. I'm using same color which matches to my eyeshadows. I hope this color matches to my dress what I'm wearing. I really don't use blushing and contouring and any like highlighters and few things. You can still make highlighting, contouring and blushing, all these things from whatever the things you have. You don't need to buy from outside. As I don't have, I already have all these things. As I don't have, those things are not available with me right now. I'm showing, I got a chance to show you this. Taking little like this. Concealer is best because as this covers most of the pot, try to take a little amount. I'm using the same pink color for my blushing. I already got a highlighter to my lipstick palette. If you don't have this kind of palette, or if you don't have highlighter at your home, you can still use a Vaseline, which is a petroleum jelly. You can just take a little amount, not so much, just apply the places or the spots where I'm showing you. So this is my final look after my makeup. If you feel like having any oiliness or anything, so you can use brush on top of it like this. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.